Hi, my name is Ruchika. I welcome you to Success CD's Education World Consumer Rights Day 2016. Friends, Bob Marley once said, "Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight." So this is for all of us as consumers. On the 15th of March in the year 1962, the then President of the USA, John F. Kennedy, gave an address to the Congress in which he formally addressed the issue of consumer rights. Since that year, 15th of March is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day. Friends, the theme for the day in the year 2016 is Antibiotics Off the Menu. Consumers International, which is an international organization for consumer awareness, will be campaigning with the members around the world for fast food companies to make a global commitment to stop the sale of meat which is raised with the routine use of antibiotics, which are important to human beings as medicine. The common ways by which consumers are exploited are selling of underweight and undermeasured goods, selling substandard quality goods to the consumers, charging higher prices for the products, false and duplicate items are sold, adulteration in food items for higher profits. The factors exploiting the consumers are as follows: imposition of unfair terms and conditions, underweight and undermeasurement, substandard products, charging high prices, duplicate articles are sold, the goods are adulterated and impure, lack of proper safety devices, unsatisfactory after-sales support, artificial scarcity is created in order to increase the prices of goods, false or incomplete information is given to the consumers, and rough behavior at the end of seller. I'll tell you what are the different consumer rights. Right to safety against hazardous goods and services. Right to be informed about quality, quantity, purity, standard and price. Right to choose from a variety of goods at competitive prices. The right to be heard. Right to seek redressal. First of all, you should explore all the options that you have at your disposal. Then put all the relevant documentation and correspondence with the company in order. Connect with the other victims of the scam who have also been hit along with you. Form a group and file a case against the company if it is still operating. File a case with the concerned regulator if the firm has closed. All the consumers have a right to consumer education. The important sources for your information are: the National Consumer Helpline can be contacted. These are the other websites that you can go to and have information about your rights. The responsibilities of a consumer are: you should obtain the full information regarding the quality and price before making any purchase. Be careful about false or misleading advertisements. Purchase goods having quality marks like ISI or AgMark etc. as and where available for safety and quality. The consumers must obtain the proper receipt or cash memo and guarantee or warranty card which is duly stamped and signed by the seller. You must approach the consumer forum for redressal of the grievances against sale of defective goods or deficiency in services. A consumer must bargain on the retail prices. Here are the R's of a dutiful consumer. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce is to consume only what you need. If possible, reduce the consumption of water, electricity, fuel and other non-renewable resources which are limited. Reuse a product if you can for a longer period instead of buying a new one. Don't litter the environment. recycle degradable or recyclable materials through scrap dealers. Thank you for watching this and do subscribe to Success CDs Education.